Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. By the way, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Okay? Para sa mga gusto mo pa personal reading kay Jing Tarot Trader na lang, guys, ha? Okay, so, this is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay? So, mag-cleanse lang ang konti. For Earth sign. General love reading. Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. So, you do have here the Hanging Man. 10 of Swords. Sorry, 10 of Wands. Person na kakonect mo. The Magician. 5 of Swords. Actually, medyo marami to, ha. Pero, naramdaman ko naman yung energy na kasama talaga siya. King of Swords. And 3 of Pentacles. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Tower. Situation. Sa inyong dalawa ng tao to. Mask is here. Ayan. Actually, hindi na ako nagtataka kasi especially yung Magician ay nandito. So, I feel like this is a person or yung situation ninyo is may mga itinatagong emotions. The Hanging Man, it is showing to me as you na pwedeng medyo marami kang obligasyon ngayon. And nakikita natin yan with the 10 of Wands. And with the Hanging Man, I feel like, I don't feel like nakakaalis ka sa situation mo. No? Parang you are tied or nakatali. And maybe, ito yung nagiging rason why you are not showing kung ano yung mga totoong gusto mo. Or, maybe there's a separation or an ending na nangyayari sa inyo ng person na to. Or maybe, something ended in the past between the two of you. Okay. 5 of Swords, ito yung person na to na parang making changes para sa sarili niya. The Magician, yeah, hindi siya nagiging open sa mga nasa isip niya, emotions niya, etc. The King of Swords is a person na parang umaarte siya na parang okay lang siya, but deep inside there's a lot of pag-iisip and stressful na energy sa kanya. 3 of Pentacles, this person is focusing sa kung paano mapapalago or paano magkakaroon ng growth pagdating sa pera. Camera is here, so this is a past person. Marami kayong memories. So, some of you, this could be a twin flame connection. Nakita tayo ng mirror. Anyway, emotions. Ano yung emotions sa isa't isa? You do have the World, the Devil, and the Empress. Three of Cups is also here. Okay, wait lang. Marami laging nalabas sa side niya kasi marami siyang gustong sabihin or marami siyang itinatago. The Emperor, 8 of Cups, and 6 of Swords. 7 of Cups, and the 9 of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the 7 of Wands. Emotion. Engagement ring and the Phoenix. Okay. I feel like I need to get one more. Not today and separation. Ayan. Anyway, with the World and the Devil, the Empress, actually, tatlong major arcana na to nandito sa side mo. You're focusing on yourself. Maybe you see this person as a friend or a person na kumaga kahit pa paano parang hindi pa rin mabubuo kung wala siya. Parang ganon. Maybe somehow nakakatulong siya na ma-improve mo yung sarili mo. Maybe in a way nakakatulong naman siya sa'yo na magkaroon ng lakas ng loob, mai-express mo yung sarili mo, and this is yun na pwedeng gumagaling ka lalo sa intuition mo, ganon, and maybe na ilalabas yung inner charm mo or yung inner beauty mo with this person. Yan, you know, somehow nakakatulong siya na ma-motivate ka na magkaroon ng growth or gawin yung growth sa sarili mo. So definitely pwedeng may separation sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito, or maybe hindi magandang connection or komunikasyon. Ayan, may pag-iiwasan or may pag-iwas na nagaganap, but the Phoenix is here, so pwede nagkakaroon ng pagbabago ng isip ngayon. So anyway, so pwedeng naaapektuhan yung komunikasyon or yung connection ninyo dahil doon sa pagbabago ng isip na yan. Now, with regards to your person, 8 of Cups, this person is thinking about the future. Ayan. Kaya, might be kaya siya hindi nagiging open dahil medyo ang pinagpo-focusan niya or ang pwede nga iniisip niya is yung future. The Emperor is here. Actually, the Emperor and the Empress, both of you are focusing sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili. This person might be trying to, you know, move on. Ayan, tinatry niya mag-move on. And the 7 of Cups, pwedeng this person is daydreaming about you. So, nagdi-daydream siya tungkol sa'yo. The 9 of Cups, this person likes you, but, you know, passion is here at the bottom of the deck. Some of you, talagang may dito, matinding chemistry. Lalo na ngayong iba. May spiritual connection, which is pwedeng yung iba twin flame pa nga, soulmate, ganyan. And so, pero nakikita natin na hindi mo pinipressure yung sarili mo pagdating sa connection ninyo. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? Yun nga, pwedeng pinipigilan niya yung sarili niyang mag-daydream tungkol sa'yo. Kaya lang, alam mo yan, bigla ka na lang niya kasi may iisip Future, you do have here the 4 of Wands, the Fool, King of Cups. What's with the King of Cups? Page of Pentacles, Ten of Cups is here. Future for Earth sign, please. Knight of Cups. Ten of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Knight of Cups, Four of Cups, Strength card, and the Eight of Wands. Feeling ko talaga may nakukulangan sa mga message. But anyway, yun lang ang nakikita natin sa ngayon. Maybe in the other reading or maybe next time, antabayanan mo na lang. Kasi ito lang yung nakikita natin ngayon. So, in the future for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Heartbroken is here, followed by Axe. And then one more card for the sign of Earth sign, Sunglasses. May lumipad pang isa. The Butterfly. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, actually medyo nalimutan ko na, pero parang kung hindi ako nagkakamali, yung bottom of the deck natin kanina nung nagsimula ng reading is camera. So bumalik ulit siya Camera is here. And then yung snake, ayan, nagpakita na ulit ito kanina. And then there's this snake ulit ngayon. And also the date card. Ayan. The way I see this, there's going to be an ending in the future na sort of breakup na magdudulot ng matinding lungkot or sakit para sa person na makakaranas nito. One of you will be in a situation wherein parang makakaranas ng kalungkutan. And it is because nakikita ko yung sa side ng person mo parang ikakato yung mga other options or other people sa buhay niya. And with the Four of Cups, kasi parang hindi na siya sure doon sa ibinibigay or ibibigay pa na emotions or love towards that. So, etong person na to is, nakakita tayo ng yung colors na nagpapakita sa akin is there's this orange or yellow, and the red, which is, yung color na yon is like, may kinalaman sa life niya. So, there's going to be a full stop, no? Kumbaga kung sa stoplight, 'di ba? Slow down, tapos yung color red is stop, no? And the way I see this, there's a stop na pwedeng mangyari dito sa person na ito. And with regards to that, ibig sabihin, may mga tao sa buhay niya na pwede magkakaroon ng full stop sa buhay niya. Na, pwede magkaroon ng ending with the Ten of Swords. And, I'm seeing this as a karma or lesson sa kanya, especially with the Four of Pentacles. After niya makuha yung mga kailangan niya dito, the Hierophant, this is showing us lessons. This is showing to me as bagay na dumating sa buhay niya para maturuan siya ng leksyon, na ma-realize niya, ma-experience niya kung ano talaga ang dapat gawain or ano talagang gusto niya. And you do over the Page of Wands, this is your person. Na-realize niya na kung ano talagang gusto niya. And, on the other hand, you will be glowing in the near future with the Butterfly. Nakita tayo na pag-glow up para sa'yo. Page of Pentacles. Pagdating sa money, there's something na pwedeng makakatulong sa'yo or may increase, may promotion yung iba, or increase pagdating sa finances. If you're a businessman, increase of kita. Okay? If you're self-employed, pwede may dadagdag sa kita mo, no? Or skills mo na mapapakinabangan mo siya. Maybe you are someone na creative, magaling ka sa arts or sa beauty, you know, I can see you using this, and this will help you with regards to your growth. And ayan, nakita tayo dito ng Ten of Cups. This will make you happy because gusto mo yung ginagawa mo eh. May growth na, tapos gusto mo pa yung ginagawa mo. Four of Wands and the Fool. Ayan. In the future, I can see environment or healthy home, family environment for you. You are the King of Cups. You are learning to appreciate yung meron ka and yung sarili mo, no? So, sa inyo, I don't feel like may connection in the future agad-agad sa inyo nitong person nito, or kung may continuation or what. Wala pa akong nakita doon. What I see is that yung mga development sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.